Introducing LaView, an universal 4G GPS tracker that offers a smart tracking solution for kids, seniors, pets, vehicles, and any other object. LaView enables real-time positioning with high precision, delivering an unparalleled all-weather barrier-free tracking solution. Other features include historical playback, geofencing, and SOS alarm. It allows you to do less, but achieve more. Ultra lightweight and waterproof, its 600 mAh battery lasts up to 15 months per charge. If you have kids, or an aging loved one becomes disoriented at times, you may want to consider utilizing LaView to track their whereabouts and find them in an emergency. Using the LaView as a GPS tool to track your loved ones by no means restricts their freedom, but allows them to live an independent life while staying connected. Strengthen the bond by always knowing the exact location of your furry friends directly on your smartphone. The LaView is compatible with any flat collar and harness. It also features a virtual fence that allows you to set a boundary for your pets to ensure their safety. If they make a sneaky escape and go beyond the fence radius, you will get notifications right away. Outdoor activities can be fun, but also dangerous without planning. A GPS tracker is the perfect companion for your adventures and can play a crucial role in the wild. With LaView, you can share your real-time location with friends or use the one-click SOS function in case of an emergency. LaView GPS can also be used to track your personal belongings, such as bags, cash, or jewelry. It allows you to pinpoint where your stolen car or missing cash is. With LaView's mini design, it can fit in the palm of your hand and let you experience incredible portability. It offers endless opportunities and fits your tracking needs wherever you are. So please support us and get your LaView now.